Okay, this is going to be a really fast video because I couldn't think of anything sensible to do. So, here goes. About 2 weeks ago, I was doing a video where I was using this thing as a prop. So this is called Marmite, and it is a really disgusting yeast product that we have in England. And I'm scared to open the lid of this, but if I was to dip the end of my pen in here and pull it out, that's what it looks like. It's like a horrible, dark, gooey mix. You can buy this stuff in quite a lot of places that's not England. So I bought this one in Portugal. And yeah, and oh, Jesus, fuck, that stinks. Oh, God. I can't believe people voluntarily put this in their mouth. I really can't. But anyway. Oh, shit. Hang on a minute. Right, so I managed to clean that shit off my fingers. Anyway, so, Marmite. You either love it or hate it. And that is their whole spiel. That's how they do their advertising for many years. In fact, if you just Google Marmite TV adverts, you'll see a whole lot of adverts where people are being force-fed Marmite. In fact, I have an ex-girlfriend who used to think it was very funny to put a teaspoon of this in her mouth and then come and kiss me. It's one of the many reasons why she's my ex. But anyway, sometimes you'll hear people say that something is a Marmite product. And what they basically mean is that the product is either loved or hated. So like a Marmite person for me is Ricky Gervais. And he's quite happy to be referred to as such. I absolutely hate the guy. I cannot stand his brand of comedy. But he has a very loyal following who think he's the greatest comic that ever lived. And usually when we talk about something being a Marmite product, it's not over something critical. You know, you wouldn't say that Donald Trump is a Marmite leader, for example. You know, we don't use it in that kind of sense. It's usually over something very trivial that we refer to as Marmite. In particular, design, tastes, fashions. So if you ever hear someone make reference to Marmite, that they say it's a Marmite product, what they mean is you're either going to love it or hate it. Apparently, according to my clients, I'm very Marmite. Thanks, guys. Really love you all.